Welcome to Casco Viejo, the historic district of Panama City, one of the most impressive and culturally rich areas of Panama itself. Join me and my good friend Peter as we explore several iconic markets, bars, and historic sites all around this city. If you're planning a trip to Panama or Casco Viejo, this walking tour of the city and its magnificent venues is absolutely for you. Come explore the bars, restaurants, and iconic sites of Casco Viejo with us. Let's go. Good morning from Casco Viejo, Panama. It's a lovely Monday here in this magnificent old Spanish town. I've got the world famous, the legendary Peter Nolan with me, photographer extraordinaire.
Welcome to Panama.
Yeah, baby. And we have a special treat for you today. We're going to the San Felipe Market, which is one of the most famous public markets in the entire area. Seafood, vegetables, fruits. This is an authentic taste of Panama, and I'm excited to take you with us. So let's go get this exciting adventure underway as we wander through these streets to yet another amazing destination. Let's get it. Good. You do kind of have to watch yourself walking in places like this because the streets are terrible. There's dirt everywhere, there's people everywhere. You never know what you're gonna see. Some crazy stuff around here. Check out this outfit. I think you should dress like that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, this is the place. It's like a giant open market. Lots of vendor stalls.
Oh, beautiful.
Pretty much everything that you need, nothing you don't. We gotta go up and around the corner here, and then we'll be really into it. You ready?
Ready.
Let's do this thing.
This is one of the cleanest markets I've ever seen.
It's beautiful in here.
Outside the U.S.
It's gorgeous in here. They got it all. Berry juice, banana, naranja. They got it all. Él es un periodista. Gracias. Yo también. ¿Cuál es su nombre? Lilia. Charlie. Mucho gusto. Gracias. Están jugos frescos, ¿sí?
Sí, naturales.
Naturales. Awesome. Going exotic, huh?
I like the green stuff.
I know you do. It looks good. Well, here we go. Tasty?
Very nice.
I love it. So this is soursop juice. This is like guanabana, which is one of my favorites. We just had this in Costa Rica the other month. Man, that is out of this world. It's sweet. You can taste a little bit of the pulp in the juice. It's absolutely delicious. This market's actually very, very clean. You can see they've got everything pretty organized in here, you know? They got it all. Cassava, onions, the regular stuff. Check this out. Oh man, they had enchiladas, panuelos, tequeños. You see how clean the meat is here though? You can tell this chicken is cleaner because it's whiter. It doesn't have that yellow crap that you see in America.
Well, they're not force-fed.
No.
They eat naturally, generally.
This is all organic Panamanian local grown chicken. Got chuletas, pastillas. ¿Hay cerdo o carne? ¿Bistec? C'est carne, ¿sí? See, they got
$3 a
rump
pound.
roast, $3 a pound. Well,
$3
is pretty good. That's like good stew beef and all of that stuff in there. ¿Está orgánica? ¿De local de aquí? ¿La carne es de aquí en Panama? It's like, well, that's what I'm talking about. Those are pretty serious beef ribs right there. Cow foot. Can I interest you in a little bit of cow foot?
Oh, wow, that looks delicious.
Yeah.
And they got the tripe there as well.
I like to start my day with a little bit of cow foot. I got pollo frito. Buenos días. Yeah. Para llevar, por favor. You gotta try a little bit of the local chicken, you know what I mean? So. Oh, look at that. Gracias. Gracias.
A la orden.
All right, we're good here. Come here. All right, we got a little snack here at the market, the San Felipe Market. We got some fried chicken. This is a little bit of yuca, which is pretty good, and these are patacones. I love patacones. Pretty good. They're a little soggy. I like them when they're extra crispy with some salt. This is fresh boiled yuca. It's almost like a potato, but at the same time, it's much more fibrous. It has a much more dense kind of, I guess you could say, mass to it. But it's really good. You could confuse it for a baked potato in a pinch. Really good flavor on this. You can just tell it has that organic vibe. It's a big chicken wing. Look out, Popeyes. We got some competition here in Panama. We're gonna keep moving. We gotta get to the seafood market. We got a couple other stops to make along the way. Let's get it. Buenos dias. Well, that is by far the cleanest market I've been to in Central America. I mean, that place was spotless. The meat quality is exceptional here. Everything looks absolutely perfect. I mean, none of this wild, crazy, rotting meat that you normally see in Colombia or Mexico or something like that. This looks like a very impressive butcher case. You know, this is something that you could expect to pay, you know, pretty expensive prices. But the steak was $3 a pound. The chicken was $1 a pound. I mean, how can you beat that? We're gonna go check out the fish market across the street here, and that apparently is the main event. Here we go, Peter. Buenos días. Arróbalo, ¿sí? Sí, arróbalo, ¿Cuándo pescaste esta vez? ¿Cómo están los viejos? ¿Viejo o no? Fresco a la orilla. Fresco, ¿sí? They're all snook. ¿Cómo se llama esto? Corvina. Corvina. Beautiful. This is a real fish market. It's exactly what I like. Check it out. Corvina. We got lane snappers here. We got sea trout. We got grouper. Triple tail. Mackerel. Look at the size of that lobster. That's a monster, man. Yeah. What we get in Caribbean. That's Caribbean. It is. It is really Caribbean lobster. Sure, it's just undersized. Little ones. That looks like a slipper lobster almost. You know, the cangrejos, and that's like royal king. That's like a king crab kind of deal. They got the peeled langostinos. ¿Cuándo pescaste este camarones? ¿Ayer o la semana pasada o no? ¿Está fresca?
So como hace 2 días.
2 días. So it's a couple days old. Looks good though. Looks good, man. Gracias. That's a giant cubera. Yeah. We found your cubera, Nick. Now that is the fish market experience. Got it all. Caviar.
De pescado.
¿De qué pez?
Huh?
¿Qué pez? De mahi-mahi, de dorado. That was everything I was looking for in a seafood market. Unbelievable. Wow. They have a lot of little restaurants around here. We're probably going to do some lunch, but not quite yet. So we're going to keep walking and check this place out. We're back in Casco Viejo in the historic district now. We're going to go to the Church of St. Joseph, which is famous for its golden altar. Peter's probably already in there doing the photographing for us. This place is supposed to be super cool. The altar was apparently painted black during the raid on this city by none other than Captain Henry Morgan himself, who burned this place to the ground. But the church protected this altar by painting it black so the pirates would not know that it was actually made of gold. I'm excited to see this. Let's head inside. I'm here at La Rana Dorada, which is a really famous restaurant here in Casco Viejo. The menu is awesome. They're known for their cocktails, they're known for their beer. We're gonna try a little bit of everything. This is their pale ale. which is refreshing and delicious. And then this is a mojito maracuya, because I just can't say no to a passion fruit mojito, particularly when it's made with fresh juice. We've got a couple of empanadas on the way as well. I'm really excited for this. Oh, it's hot outside, and that is freaking fantastic. We've got some fresh baked empanadas here. Homemade, hot as it gets. Got like a smoked tomato thing going on, which is out of this world. Some kind of fresh cheese. This is a little bite of heaven here. Very impressive. How's that?
It's the spot.
Well, it is happy hour here in Casco Viejo, and I have a special treat for you. We are going to check out Element. This is the cocktail bar in Casco Viejo. You're going to love it. Come on with me. Oh, Peter and Joseph, what's up, fellas?
Hey,
you guys
Charlie,
are doing
man,
it big.
how you doing?
Chilling in here.
Excellent.
Mind if I join you?
Please do.
Please do. Come
Oh man, this looks good.
on.
You working on something special back there, Joseph?
You know what I'm talking about. Just because you are here, okay?
Joseph is a true professional. He takes his craft very seriously, and it doesn't get a lot better than a mixologist who takes his craft seriously. They don't have a traditional menu where you can just kind of walk in and say, I'll have a margarita. They take it to the next level. They ask you what you like, and then they build the cocktail to your specifications with a little bit of that Greek influence.
So yeah, most of the time you come here, you talk to the bartender what you want, and the bartender do it, okay?
You heard it here first. We're gonna be having a few drinks with Joseph this afternoon. Stick around, he's gonna tell us all about it.
Much better.
Talk to me about some cocktails, Peter.
Oh yeah. I smell the citrus. Nice and strong.
Taste it, I like it, man.
Out of this world.
It's amazing. Out of this world.
Joseph came through,
As always.
and he brought back my personal friend, Kontiki. What's up, my dude? I'm excited about this.
There you go. Much better.
We have an absolutely extraordinary concoction here by the man himself here at Element. This is Proper Tiki Happy Hour in Casco Viejo. Get out of here with that. My man.
Thank you so much, Brad. So I'm going to explain a little bit about the cocktail. You have on your side a little bit of rum infusion it with wheelberry syrup, a little bit of passion fruit, a little bit of pineapple juice, orange juice, cinnamon sticks just for the smell, for the taste as well. As well, you have 2 dashes of bitters angostura from cinnamon. You have rum abuelo 7 años, rum 1914 Panama.
I gotta tell you, I've had some pretty serious tiki cocktails in my time, but that is right up on the top of the list.
Nice.
If you have the chance to go to Element here in Casco Viejo, and you don't go, you should be ashamed of yourself. This place is the best cocktail bar in the city. Get yourself in here and go see Joseph. Come on.
All right.
Tell me about this rum, Joseph. What do we got?
This is a type of rum came from the cane sugar, as well they call seca verano. Most of the time, it's the first liquor we have here in Panama. As well, it came from the cane sugar. I don't know if you ever tasted cachaça before.
Sure.
So it tastes like it, but the smell is very strong, and the taste as well is very strong. So as well, you don't drink it. This is the first time you drink it here, and you have to drink it with a Panamanian.
Excellent.
Exactly. So
I'm excited about this.
I'm
How
into
about
this
you?
all the way.
First of all, smell it, and you tell me what it smells. Okay? So, go for it, guys.
Here we go.
What it smell? Tell me.
Alcohol.
Yeah.
There's nothing added. It's just pure alcohol.
It's pure alcohol. So.
What do you want to drink to? What do you want to drink to? To Joseph.
To Joseph.
To Joseph.
Ah, fuck.
Ah.
Yeah.
Woo! That is the stuff right there, Peter.
Yes.
Oh, I thought I was getting sick, but now it's fixed.
Yeah, exactly.
That's good.
It's almost like vodka,
Whoa,
really.
whoa, whoa.
when I was like 14 years old, my uncle brings the bottle. I said, what's a tiny bottle? So he told me, open the mouth. I was like, why you want to give me? Like, just open the mouth. And started to pour in me the second one in my mouth. Like, you told me when I finished. I was like, okay. My mouth was falling in Seco Verano, and I drink it. My goodness, was like I was drinking fire. Like, because my throat is going down, just burning. Like, oh my goodness, this is pure alcohol. But most of the time, when you have I don't know, a scratch or something like that, the Panamanian thing say, put it something in there, put something, Seco Verano, and you're gonna be fine.
Absolutely, it's pure alcohol. We should add that to the boat kit. Look at that, AED, oxygen, and whatever the hell that is. Fix your problem right up. My God.
For me, it's fine. Technically, most of the time, the bottle I give you,
At Divers Paradise Boutique Hotel tomorrow.
What the? What is this?
there you go.
What is this? Get it, Peter?
Oh yes, 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 yes.
Whoa.
What is this?
He's gonna pass out.
What is this? It's amazing.
Mezcal Siete Misterios, and mix it up with Aperol, something like mango liqueur, and mix it up with Campari as well. One Campari infusion it with strawberries.
Well, this is the first time I've ever had Campari where I've actually liked it.
I absolutely hate to interrupt this conversation, but I have to know, what in the hell is that bubble gun?
Yeah.
What is that, Joseph?
This is a bubble gun we have here. So you put it a little bit of aromatic bubbles, and there you go. So there's aromatic. I don't know if you feel something aromatic inside. I want to put it something in your mouth.
I'm getting that on Amazon for sure.
We're drinking to the past, the future,
And the present.
and the present. To your health, my friend.
And to yours.
To your health, Joseph. We're living the dream out here in Casco Viejo, and you should too. Oh my God. I'm really excited about this. Oh. Complex, refreshing, dignified, all the things I am not. Spectacular. That may be the best drink of the day right there. Joseph. Un placer. Privilegio. Hasta pronto.
Hasta pronto, amigo. Un placer tenerte de este lado, Charlie.
Y nos vemos.
Peter.
Pedro.
Joseph, thank you,
It's a
man.
pleasure, man.
Pleasure.
You be careful out there, big boy.
I love you guys. Be careful over there. So, most of the time, if you want to come here, I gotta be here for you. Just making drinks.
Element bar, baby. Element. All the way. All right, we're out. If you're gonna get in trouble, take pictures. Do what the rest of us would do around here.
Get evidence
These boys.
of it.
Get in there. Get her,
Stay safe,
boys.
brother.
Get her, boys. Get her. That is Element, the #1 bar for craft cocktails in Casco Viejo. As good as it gets. Oh, disculpe-me. We're out of here. Holy hell. That was the ultimate craft cocktail bar experience. Amazing. Well, fortunately for us, that's about the end of our bar crawl and or market experience here in Casco Viejo. If you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up. Maybe a subscribe if you're feeling generous. Who knows? Maybe we'll see you down here in the great nation of Panama. We'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves out there and stay healthy. Hasta luego.